Hello, chocolate lovers! Today we're taking a delicious journey through time to discover how chocolate cake became the treat we adore. Our story begins over 3,000 years ago with the Maya, who drank cacao mixed with spices and chili. Nothing sweet about it. This bitter, frothy drink was a luxury for nobles and warriors. In the 1500s, Spanish explorers brought cacao to Europe. Sugar was added, turning bitter cacao into a sweet drink loved by the elite. Still, it was centuries before chocolate made its way into cakes. By the 19th century, Dutch cocoa processing made chocolate affordable. Recipes for chocolate sponge cakes began appearing in cookbooks, a dream come true for bakers everywhere. Today, chocolate cake is a global dessert icon, from rich layered masterpieces to quick mug cakes in your microwave. From bitter ceremonial drinks to sweet indulgence, chocolate cake's history is as rich as its flavor. What's your favorite chocolate cake memory? Share it in the comments. We'd love to know.